We've recently picked up a Scrubbis Hull Cleaning kit, and this is what's in the kit. We've purchased this ourselves, so it is a review of something we've actually bought. The kit consists of a foam cleaning head and a plastic insert which removes any heavy fouling from the boat. There's an angled piece of aluminium which attaches to the head. There's a telescopic handle which extends to just over 2 metres. And there's an extension pole which adds another metre to this, so the total length is about 3.2 metres. So this is the Scrubbis, and we're just going to put it together to show how easy this is to do. So Catherine's going to do this, right, pull that out of there, that's it, pull it right out. So that's the bit that stops it falling off, that. Right. And then what you can do is you can decide whether you want this piece of plastic in, which actually is supposed to take a bit more of the I suppose the growth off the side. It's for anything that's solid, where this is obviously for the soft stuff. So we're going to leave that in.
Yeah, 'cause it's dirty.
It is a bit dirty. They give you an extendable. Sorry, they give you an extendable tube, which is this one. So we're going to use that in a sec. Okay, and we need. That's the extension tube. It comes with the extension tube as well.
Right.
So we'll put that. Yeah. Where's the bendy one? Right. So here's the bendy one. So what we need to do first of all is push this into the back with the hole poking through, not there, in there. So push that in, twist it, that's it. Right, now that rod thing that you had.
Doesn't it go that way?
No, goes that way. Right. And then this rod piece that you've got here, this goes through this bit. So you just have to kind of just put that on the end like that. And then just give that a little bit of a push. You hold the camera then. So that goes in this way. You just give it a bit of a push down like that through the hole that's in this tube, that locks it off. And then I think that bit just stays out like that, so that it doesn't get stuck in. Yeah. And then when you want to pull it out, that's what you can. Now that's solid now, you see. That won't come off there because that plastic tube has gone down the centre. And that also holds this piece out as well, so you can scrub against the boat. And then the next thing you do is you just pop that onto the end. Hang on, pull extension tube out a bit. Pop that onto the end of there, click that in, and then you can adjust this to however long you need it to be.
That's weird.
Weird, isn't it? Right. You just got to push against the boat. As you push it down, it's supposed to. That's it.
Oh, that's weird. It's quite hard actually.
Yeah, so it should be trying to push upwards that direction as you're pushing it down. Right, I'll just go and try and film the front. You know, you're having a quick play. So if you can see the front of this boat, it's got quite a lot of growth on it. So we're going to see if we can get that off. Definitely is, yeah. Is it?
It's like, they're fiddly.
Yeah, can you see it? Look, I'm taking it off. See? It's working. Yeah.
Well done, mate.
Keep going. So what we've worked out, actually, there's actually quite a lot of buoyancy in the the end bit, the cleany bit. Oh, and it's quite hard to push down. So when it goes under the boat, if Catherine just does it, you push it under, you'll see it disappear and it'll pop up the other side. Obviously that's what it's supposed to do, but just kind of shows how much, see? How much buoyancy is actually in that. And all that pressure's being pushed against the hull, and you can see now that that edge is really quite clean. And when you go underneath as well, you can see it just pluming off in the water. So yeah, quite impressed with that actually.
Yeah, it's quite hard to like.
It's hard to push it down, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, like this does that.
Yeah. Right, come on, carry on. We just turn the head round to put the plastic bit at the top, so you can actually have a bit more of a go at them. Because if you can see, if there's anything sharp on the bottom, then it does actually attack the sponge a bit more. Probably was in the instructions, but that there, and then just here we've got some quite crusty bits that are all coming off. Now look, see them in the water there. It's really quite good. Hopefully you can see now how clean the hull is. And here's the unit. So it's taken a little bit of a battering, but that is to kind of be expected. What we worked out was if you actually spin it round, it's easier to get the plastic on the boat. So this against the hull. So do this first, gets rid of all the heavy contaminant on there, and then flip it over by taking this piece out, and then use this side to get anything softer off. You know, like the where the green is. And then it just tries to save it a little bit, but not in too bad shape really. Not in too bad shape at all. Very impressed with this. It seems to work really well. I'm assuming you can buy replacement heads, but yeah, it's done a really good job. We recently had the boat lifting, and I have to say the underneath was very, very clean. There's a little bit of slime there, but other than that, it was in really good shape considering this boat hasn't been anti-fouled for almost 2 years. I thought it was unfair to take any pictures because we've only actually used the Scrubbis once to do a full hull clean of the boat. So what we'll do is we'll keep using it over the next season and we'll report back our findings, but we were really impressed with it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.